Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Savannah LaDell, and if you are returning, then welcome back. Today's video is going to be a fall makeup look. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, whatever you have, and let's do our makeup and chill. Okay, so now that the brows are done, thank God, this is the most boring part. I don't even know if I'm going to save those clips. So I love using serums. This is the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. I really love this, and I use it day and night. So it's really awesome if you have like acne scars or hyperpigmentation, and I definitely have seen a difference. So I like to just press that into my skin. And then I'm gonna follow this up with my Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. And I love these serums because they can be worn under your makeup. Now I'm going to go in with a moisturizer. Today I'm going to use my Kiehl's Ultra Face Moisturizer Sunscreen. This has SPF 30 and I really love it. It's very lightweight, but it also still gives you that hydration that you need. So if you're combination skin, then I think you'll really, really like this. And it does not make you ashy. For foundation, today I'm going to use my Juvia's Place shade stick. I am in the shade Gina, and I'm just gonna apply this everywhere. I really like this. With about 2 layers, I can get it to a good full coverage, which I love. And I just love that it's in stick form, so it's just so easy to put on. I do want to color correct a little bit around my mouth. So to color correct, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange. And then I'm also going to use my Morphe M173 brush. And a little bit goes a long way when you're color correcting because you don't want it to come off orange, like peek through. So that's just a little note. So to blend everything out, I'm gonna use this IT Cosmetics brush. I'm trying to find the number on it. This is the dual-ended flawless foundation brush. It's number 134, and I really, really like it. So I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm in the shade Deep. I am pretty much out of this, but I'm gonna scrape what I can out of it. So I'm gonna set everything with my Kylie powder. This is the loose setting powder. It's in the shade Dark. Nothing like coffee in the morning, y'all. Okay. So I'm gonna get into my eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Roxy palette. I don't even know who Roxy is, but I like her palette. And then I'm gonna use the Jackie Aina palette. I'm gonna prime my lids. I'm gonna use this Cakeless Concealer from Benefit, just so the pigment shows up. Cause I think I actually wanna like go in today, you know, with the eyeshadow, cause I haven't in a while. Might cut the crease, might not, depends on how I feel. And I'm gonna blend this out with this Morphe brush, the M173. So I'm going to use this pretty orange shade right here with my Morphe 532 brush, and I'm just gonna put that all in my crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my Jackie Aina palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Credit right here. And I'm gonna use my Morphe. This is not a Morphe brush. I'm gonna use this old Sigma brush that I don't know what it's called. Okay, so I feel like that orange shade that I went in with from the Makeup Revolution Roxy palette, I feel like it got a little lost, so I'm gonna go back in. Whoa. I'm gonna go back in and kind of bring that color out a little bit more. So I'm taking this like right above my crease. Okay, so I am gonna actually cut the crease. So I'm gonna go back in with this Benefit concealer, and I'm gonna use my Morphe M124 brush to cut the crease. So we're gonna zoom right through this. I'm gonna go back into the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm gonna use Wiggalese on my lid where I cut the crease. This shade is just so pretty, and to me it screams fall and winter, so that's what we doing. So now I'm just kind of going back in with this brown shade called Credit, and I'm thinking I'm gonna kind of wing it out a little bit. This is the Morphe M506 brush, by the way, and I'm just trying to define it a little bit more, but I'm also kind of dragging it out. It's kind of turning into like a wing kind of situation. Sorry, gotta eat breakfast. Just eating some oatmeal. So now I feel like I need like a little pop of color in the middle, and I really like this color called Trust Issues. It looks white, but it has like little flecks of gold. I'm just gonna pop it right in the center. Here. And drag it down. I know y'all are probably tired of me using this if you've been on my channel for a while, but I'm gonna use the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and I'm gonna use this Morphe M321 brush, and hopefully this looks cute. And I'm gonna put this like right up in here, kind of in the inner corner, a little bit above the inner corner, if that makes sense. I just feel like this area is like missing something. I hope this is the right move. I don't want it to look crazy. So I'm gonna go on to eyeliner, and I'm gonna use my LA Girl gel eyeliner that I just got. I gotta get it out of the packaging. And then I'm gonna use this Anastasia number 14 brush. I'm just gonna use the angled side, obviously. And here is the LA Girl liner that I'm gonna use. Okay, so now for lashes, I'm gonna use these Kiss lashes. This is in the style Chignon. Here's what they look like. So I'm gonna put these on off camera, and then I'll be right back. Excuse me, I don't know how I feel about this look, but we're gonna keep going. Jesus. I'm gonna use this NYX matte bronzer. It's in the shade Deep Tan. And I'm just gonna use it to kind of warm up my skin a little bit. I'm gonna go into this buxom blush called Wanderlust. It's really pretty. And it's very pigmented too. I don't think I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones. I'm just not feeling a highlight on the cheekbones today. But I am gonna go back into the Anastasia Ambreezy highlight and just highlight my nose a little bit. And then right above my brow, or right beneath my brow bone. That's what I'm trying to say. And then the Cupid's bow, because why not? Now it's time for lip liner. I'm using the same thing I use probably in every single video. This is the NYX lip liner in the shade Vintage. This is the Suede Matte Lip Liner. Then I'm gonna go into my Essence Shine 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 lip gloss in Behind the Scenes. Like always, nothing new. And I'm just gonna marry these colors together by blending them in. I do want to add a little bit more detail to this look. You know, lately everyone's been into the jewels. I've been having these, or the rhinestones. I've been having these for like a year because I bought a bunch at the craft store because I wanted to do a lot of creative looks. And then I have used them in the past before Euphoria, but I think Euphoria just kind of like inspired everybody, which it inspired me. I'm not ashamed to say it. And so I've been on the trend with the rhinestones. So I'm gonna add some, and I really like the little dainty ones, like the very tiny ones I think are the cutest. So I can't find another tiny little clear one, but I have this set of like colored ones, but I don't know what color I would do, and it might look silly. Ugh, why does this have to be so complicated? The way I like to attach these, I'll just use a clear lash strip glue, and I'm using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. And I like to put just like a tiny, like you just need a little bit. And you don't want to put too much because I realize it can irritate around your eyes because it's a very like sensitive and delicate area. So I just do like, I'm gonna do it right in the little inner corner. So I'm just gonna do a tiny little dot right where I want it. Ew, I'm like shaking. And then you're definitely gonna want some tweezers. See, I dropped it. Dang it. This can get frustrating, so like if you don't have patience, skip this part, girl, because you are going to be pissed. And then I'll just boop, set it right there. And usually it just sticks on pretty easy. It's just a little twinkle, adds a little twinkle to the eye. I don't even know if you could even tell, but I think it's really pretty. And the yellow kind of goes with this look. So just gotta find one more. I gotta do this side, and then we are done. Okay y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this fall makeup tutorial. I hope that it inspired you in some way. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see from me next. I'm hoping to film some Halloween tutorials. It just takes a lot of time and hopefully I can do that on my off days. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know again in the comments down below what you want to see from me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at LaDell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.